Welcome to the EFSANE crypto ecosystem, right? Now, this is one project that is making a lot of waves because a whole lot of people are actually joining on this project. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be earning from this website without you investing. If you don't want to invest at all, you can still go ahead and earn from this project. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, now for you to get started, first and foremost, you need to sign up. So all you just need to do is to come to the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a link there. So after you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this interface, right? Then the next thing you need to do is that you're going to put in your country code here. Okay, you're going to put in um you're going to put in your country code here, then you're going to put in your phone number here, right? Then you're going to click on send verification code. Now, when you do that, you're going to click on this button and you're going to get a code, okay, on your phone or on your WhatsApp, okay? Then you're going to put in that verification code here. Then here you're going to see the invitation code. It's going to be here automatically, actually. Then you're going to put in your password. Then you confirm your password here. Then you're going to click on sign up, right? Now, after you click on sign up, then automatically you're going to have this interface like this, okay? Now, like I rightly said, is a platform where you can actually earn crypto for absolutely free. Okay. Now, after you sign up and you have this kind of interface, you can just come up here, click on this button that has your picture up. Okay. They're just going to click on it and it's going to bring you here. Then here you can decide to just click on this personal center down here. You click on this personal center down here and it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay. Now, quickly, let me show you what I've and I actually just sign up after before making this video. So let me click on this sports center here. Let me quickly show you something here. Right, you can see I have 6.4 USD on my account. Okay, now if I come down here, let me quickly show you some stats here. You can see I have 2,500 gems already on in my account, okay, for just signing up. Then here, if I come down, you can see gem cash here. I also have 400. So every single day, all I just need to do is to sign up, is to come in here and sign in on this platform, and I'm going to be getting accumulation of gems every single day. Okay, now like I rightly showed you here, you can see here now, for you to actually accumulate your gem and your gem cash, all you just need to do is to sign into the platform every day and also, in extension, invite friends, relatives, business associates to the platform, and you'll be able to earn more gems. Okay. Now, if you check here, you can see this is uh, EFSANE token, okay, which is called EFS, right? If you see right now, it's frozen because one, as soon as they go live on um exchanges, right? Because from what I heard, they say they're going to be going live on different exchanges. They're going to be listed on different exchanges. As soon as they go listed on exchanges, then it's going to be unfrozen. Then from there, we'll be able to actually begin to cash out through uh, from the exchanges. Okay. Now, if you check this stuff that you've earned here, okay, which still going to be showing you all you're going to be earning. If you want to convert them, okay, you can just come up here, okay, I click on this. Let's assume you want to convert this gem to this EFS token. You're just going to come up here, click on this, right? Now we click on this button, right? You can see here, you're just going to click on this max here, okay, and you'll be able to convert this into this EFS token here, right? You just come down here, click on confirm, and you'll be able to confirm, convert it to the EFS token, right? Now, I'm going to be showing you also, let's assume you want to make your withdrawal, okay? After you must have accumulated your token, right? You can see this button here. You click on this withdrawal button here, okay? You can see the minimum withdrawal is $11, right? So after you must have accumulated a lot of, or let me say, some gems and some gem cash, you'll be able to convert it to USDT and you can withdraw to your exchange or to your wallet. Okay, now quickly let me go back here and show you something. Now remember, you're not paying any dime to do this. It's just absolutely free. Through doing that, then you're going to be able to accumulate more token and you'll be able to withdraw to USDT, or you're going to hold on until their EFS token is launched, okay, on exchanges. Then you can actually convert to EFS on exchanges. Okay, presently they say their EFS token is worth $3. You can see this is the worth of their EFS token. Okay, so but we have to wait until it is unfrozen for us to be able to convert it. Okay, now guys, I want to show you other extra ways on how you're going to be earning on this platform. But before I do that, quickly let me show you how you need to check in every single day. Okay, you see where it says a personal center here, just click on this personal center. Now this you have to do every single day. You see where it says sign in here. Okay, just come up here every single day, just go to click on this sign in here. Okay, so you can see here, sign in to earn gems and redeem exclusive reward and special offer. Don't forget to do this every single day. Every single day, just come down here and click on this sign in. Okay, so you can see you'll be able to earn this more of these gems, and also be able to earn more of this gem cash rate. Okay, so personally, you can say I have a lot here. Okay, I have 2,000 worth of gems that is frozen here, which is going to be released very soon. And you can see I also have 300 uh, gem cash here. Okay, now if you want to earn extra money on this platform, let me show you how to do that. Okay, you're just going to come to this chain predict. Okay, this is where people are making a whole lot of money on this platform. Okay, now if you come here, all you just need to do is for you to predict and give answers to different prediction questions that are here. And if you win, then you're going to be making more money here. Okay, so you can see they have trending, they have cryptocurrency, they have technology. It all depends on which one that you think you'll be able to do well on, and you'll be able to participate in it. Okay, now let me just scroll down and check for one stuff here. Okay, let me just go to this cryptocurrency here. Okay, on this cryptocurrency you can see now they say, let's see this one. Can CTC reach $2 in June? Okay. If your prediction is yes, you believe that CTC can get to $2 in June, you just go ahead and click on this yes. But if you don't believe so, you just go ahead and click on this no. Now, if you come down here, you can see here they say, will Bitcoin BTC rise to $107 by 12 noon UTC on June 15th? Right now, if you believe that BTC is going to get to 107 by June 15th, all you just need to do is just to come down here. Okay, then you're going to click on this yes here. You click on this button that says yes here. Right now, if you come down here, it's going to be showing you that you can see, you see, um you can see all the information here, right? So here you're going to be looking at the rules also here, and here, if you believe that it's going to get to that $107 in 15th of June, all you just need to do is just to come down here, make your prediction. You just click on this yes button here. But if you don't believe it's going to get to 107, then you're going to click on this no button here. But you can see here it's telling you that 18% of participants believe that by June 15th, BTC is going to get to $107,000. You can see 84% believe that it will not get to, right? So you can see the percentage here. So let's assume you believe that it will get to $107,000 by June 15th. You just click on this button here, right? Then here you're going to put in how much you want to predict, how much you want to put into this game. Okay, let's assume you want to put let's say $100. You want to put in your 100 USDT here. Okay, then here if you come down here, you're going to say you choose yes. Okay, now if by 15th of June 2025 BTC gets to $107,000, you can see you're going to be making 389 USDT. You can see that is times 3 of what you have put into this prediction. Okay, then all you just need to do just to click on this confirm. Okay, now for you to click on this confirm, you must make sure you deposit your USDT into EFSANE. Okay, after you do your deposit and you come to this prediction, you click on this automatically, then guys, you're going to be able to win this amount of money that you've seen here. Okay, a whole lot of guys are actually winning already on this platform. You can take advantage of it. Okay, now if you want to also create your own prediction, okay, you can also come down here. It's free, it's absolutely free for you to create your prediction. You can click on this button here. You just go ahead, click on this button, okay, and just click on allowed, and you also will be able to create your own prediction. And as people begin to participate in your own prediction, you're also going to be earning some money, okay, some passive income for yourself, creating your own prediction. Okay, so This is all I'm going to be showing you guys. But remember, I am not your financial advisor, okay? I'm just showing you ways and method on how I earn online. So please make sure you go ahead and do your own research, okay? All right, guys, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself